Encountering a key not detected error in your 2016-2022 Honda Pilot can be frustrating, but it's easily resolvable. The issue arises when the key fob's battery dies, preventing it from communicating with the car's system. To start your Pilot, use the emergency mechanical key slot. First, press the brake pedal firmly. Then, insert the mechanical key blade, found within your key fob, into the slot located directly below the Start-Stop button. Turn the key to the on or ACC position and then press the Start button. This procedure bypasses the dead fob, allowing you to start the vehicle without issue. It's a built-in safety feature designed by Honda, ensuring you're not stranded. To prevent future issues, regularly replace your key fob's CR232 battery, which costs just a few dollars. If the key not detected error persists after replacing the battery, a visit to a Honda dealer might be necessary for reprogramming, typically costing between $50 and $100. Keep in mind that Honda issued Service Bulletin TB0135-24, so inquire with the dealer about firmware updates. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is moving towards digital keys via smartphone apps, which newer Honda models, post-2022, are adopting. This minimizes dead battery problems, but stay aware of cybersecurity risks. For older models, expect continued support for physical keys, though supply chain issues for transponder chips are possible in the future. For now, always rely on the mechanical key as your first backup method. It's the safest and most reliable way to start your Pilot with a dead fob.